I just get one hot dog, please? With ketchup.
Hey, hi guys!
Best hot dog ever! Oh, I guess I should start it now. Hi!
Hello.
What day is today?
22nd.
Monday?
Yeah, Monday the 22nd.
It's Monday. I just got a hot dog. We're going to get bubble tea. This is Krista, Adina's little sister.
Yeah, who's taller?
Alright, time to go get bubble tea. Bye! Krista, foot 5. I got coffee with whipped cream.
Yes.
Yes. Because I don't like hot chocolate and I wanted to feel included with everybody around me drinking hot chocolate with whipped cream.
We're not drinking that.
Not you guys, everybody else.
Oh.
Look at where we are.
We're in Bryant Park.
Adina and Krista are out seeing a show. I'm back home and I'm about to cook some things. And I think Austin is sleeping. My other roommate's name is Austin. Never said that. You'll meet him soon. He was like, the vlog hasn't met me yet. You'll meet him soon. But I am about to make broccoli cheddar soup. And just to have, I'll probably have a little bit tonight, but then freeze the rest of it. And then I'm gonna have some breaded chicken cutlets with a side of Brussels sprouts and probably a little side of like butter noodles too, just to like have. But I'll see how hungry I'm feeling once I really start cooking everything. But right now I am working on the broccoli cheddar soup. And I'm just cutting up carrots and broccoli. Very excited for this. I haven't made it before, but I'm excited to have it because it's been on my Pinterest for like forever now. So I can't wait. Very excited. Almost ready to start throwing the soup together. I'm so excited. I'm cutting the garlic right now. I have a bowl of onions, and then this bowl is the broccoli and the carrots all chopped up. This recipe is from Pinterest, and I'm gonna tag the link to it below because you should try it too. It said that it's almost a copycat of Panera broccoli cheddar soup, but even better. So I'm like, that's amazing because Panera's broccoli cheddar soup is really, really good. That's actually the first place I ever had that soup. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And I crave it, especially on cold days. And I was outside walking around the city freezing. Now I'm warm because our apartment is always so hot because they like automatically turn the heat on, which is so annoying. So yeah, I'm always hot, but I still like soup. Here it is all made. We're gonna try it. Oh my god. I love broccoli cheddar soup. So good. So good. So comforting. I can eat this all day long. All day long. Oh my god. Once I finish my soup, I have to make my actual dinner. This is like a soup and salad starter, but soup only. So good. I'm definitely putting the link in the bio. Link down below. You guys should totally try this because it's so good and it's really so easy to make. I feel like the prep of cutting everything took the longest. Everything else was so easy. And the broccoli still has just the right amount of crunch. I used a fresh thing of broccoli and a fresh carrot. I feel like it said in the recipe that you can even use frozen broccoli, but I just feel like having everything fresh makes it that much better. Try it out. Try it out. I'll show you my other dinner when it's done. I don't feel like showing the process. So you'll see it at the end. And here is my actual dinner, my chicken cutlets and Brussels sprouts. I know the Brussels sprouts don't look super appetizing. Appetizing. Because they look burnt, but I tried them and they are good. I think it was just, I don't know. They taste good. They're just a little crispy. And yes, I do use ketchup on my chicken cutlets like a child. I don't care. But yeah, I love chicken cutlets so much. So oh my god, I love chicken cutlets. So good. I love homemade chicken cutlets. So good. Love a good Brussels sprout. There's garlic and why can I talk today? There's garlic and Parmesan cheese on these Brussels sprouts. And I'm very happy. Very happy with my dinner choices tonight. Yeah, so that's really it. Hope you enjoyed the vlog today. A little bit of cooking thrown in there. And I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit tomorrow, but I'm also going to my grandparents because Thanksgiving is coming. So I'm probably gonna go tomorrow. I have to like move my car and it's parked on a side of the street where they sweep on Tuesdays. So I have to move my car on Tuesdays and it's a pain to find a new spot. And I just don't feel like driving around in circles to find a spot when I can just go to my grandma's. So I'm probably gonna go tomorrow, but I'll probably vlog a little bit tomorrow and then I'm probably gonna take off doing vlogging for Wednesday and Thursday just because I'm gonna be with family and everything, and I don't really want to vlog when I can just be doing family time. So I will potentially, most likely, but potentially see you tomorrow. Otherwise, I will see you on Friday for Friendsgiving. That's gonna be fun. I'm cooking a turkey for the first time. So come watch and see me hopefully succeed with cooking my first turkey. Okay, I will see you tomorrow or Friday. Bye.